Grace Fanatics! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, nakita nyo naman nandito ako sa Halifax Exhibition Center dito sa Halifax, Nova Scotia, kung saan makikita ko ang different paintings ng kilalang Vincent van Gogh. And currently mahangin ngayon, and hopefully sa tour namin na to magustuhan nyo. And I think as per my research, maganda ang exhibit ng Halifax team. So tingnan natin kung maganda nga talaga. O diba? Let's go! Okay, so diba? So, upon entry natin Grace Fanatics, may guest check-in tayo. Notice namin kahit 30 minutes to 1 hour kayo ahead ng exact time yung pwede pa din kayong pumasok at mag-start ng tour. And nandiyan ang rules and regulation na kailangan natin sundin para aware tayo kung anong dapat at dapat natin gawin sa loob. Hi Grace Fanatics! So nakapasok na kami dito sa loob ng Van Gogh Exhibit Center dito sa Halifax Exhibit Center. And a little tip, kung mahilig kayong maihi, kasi yung show maglalast siya ng 45 to an hour. And I think ina-allow nila kayo magstay for a little longer to take picture, only videos. Basta ang sabi lang nila, huwag niyong i-open yung flash nyo. So, para hindi masyado ma-bother yung iba din, tsaka yung quality ng show nila. So, for a little tip na naman, mag-CR muna kayo bago mag-start ang show dahil walang CR sa loob. Okay? Yun lang naman. Napaka-big deal.
Huawei to, no? Huawei.
Yung best friend ko kasama ko na problema kasi gusto niyang gamitin namin yung aking Xeon camera stabilizer, but we cannot figure out kung paano siya i-connect sa aming phone. May cafeteria din, just in case gusto niyong kumain bago yung show. So, ayan na nga, Grace Fanatics, pumasok na kami. So, upon entry, meron kayong makikita mga different walls, which is dito nakasaad kung ano ang pinagdaanan ng ating butihing Van Gogh. So, kung paano siya nag-start, kung anong struggle niya sa life, kung anong mga favorite quotes niya, and paano niya nilikha yung ganitong famous paintings. So, may pa,
Ito din daw,
ganyan din silang pa-effect yung mga frames na. Diba? Perfect yan. Mag-take time kayong basahin kasi very informational talaga siya. And syempre, kasama ko ang aking best friend na kahit madilim, naka-shades, feeling jelly and dress na loves. So, pwede kayong huwag magmadali, i-cherish yung kada basa sa wall kasi marami kayong matututunan about Van Gogh, diba? Mababasang mga quotable quotes ni Van Gogh.
I think that's the letter for her, for his brother.
Yeah, may mga letter kasi si Van Gogh before na parang kinumpile, and these are some of it. So, medyo matalino si Van Gogh. Medyo deep siyang tao. So, magbabasa muna kayo ng ganyan. Medyo siyang tao. So, maganda. So, Grace Fanatics look. Making the extraordinary extraordinary. O, diba? Wala lang naman yun. So, talagang shares namin ng $30 entry dito sa Van Gogh. So, Grace Fanatics, as you notice, yung type ng pagka-paint niya is more on striking and brush stroke. Kasi dun siya nakilala si Van Gogh. So ito yung mangyayari pagpasok niyo pa lang, maraming mga So, since hindi nag-work yung pagiging art dealer niya sa hindi na siya quite devote yung sarili niya sa painting. Nag-decide siya maging preacher.
Kasi
Like
yung
his
father
father.
niya, yung father niya is a pastor.
Yes. So, si Van Gogh, just like every one of us, if hindi nag-work yung isang path sa kanya, lumilipas siya sa panibagong path na pwede niyang ma-discover sa kakayahan niya. So, at first, naging art leader siya. And then, after nung hindi din siya nag-work doon, trinay naman niya mag-aral as a preacher kasi yung father niya, preacher din. So, I think after mag-try siya noon, hindi din nag-work yun eh. So, we'll see kung ano pa yung mga mababasa natin dito. Nagbabasa si Chris Joss. Wow! When you're capturing video, you can feel it. So, Grey's Anatics.
I can't feel anything. What did you feel?
No, in your visual. So Grey's Anatics, we're here at Waterfall Room, as they call. So this is like your introduction na hindi ka mahilo and ma-shock upon entering talaga sa pinaka-show. And you can take all the videos and picture of you as long as you want. Basta no flash lang. So it's amazing. When you're looking at the camera and you can see on the side the effect, it feels like you're just, yeah, try to look at the camera only. Ayan. Come here. Right? Here. Come here. Exactly. So just look at the camera and you can see the effect as if you're really, yeah, diba? As if you're like really floating. So, hello, Van. Close. So, may pila siya, guys. I like the effect, though. You can try it again.
Wait, this is me. Oh my god.
It does feel weird, doesn't it?
I have to. Oh, gosh.
Wow. So cool. It makes you a little dizzy, but you can do this.
It's the length of time everything goes through.
Okay.
He had a lot of paintings you want to look at. You can take all the pictures you want, no flashes. Stay at least 5 feet away from the wall. Don't touch the walls, they're very sensitive. And also the walls move very quickly at sometimes. Some people tend to get a little bit of dizziness. If you do, I'll give you a little hint to help you. Just look at the walls, don't look at the floor.
Okay.
And if it still bothers, look at the ceiling.
Thank you so much. Oh, look at that! It's so beautiful, guys. Look at this. Ang ganda. Hi, Grey's Anatics! So, nandito kami sa room naman kung nasaan yung mga different paintings ni Van Gogh. So, it's like a big room. Yan. So, sabi nila, if you feel like dizzy, just look at the ceiling or don't look at the floor kasi it will make you more dizzy kasi may effect din yung floor. So, it's beautiful. You should try this. Okay, ililipat ko ng cam. So, Grace Anatics, nandito tayo sa room kung saan yung pinaka-main show nila. So, nandito nakalagay yung mga different paintings ni Van Gogh and visual effects nila na gumagawa. So, as you can see, standing ovation. So, yung isa sa question ko kung anong difference ng regular admission tsaka VIP, kung meron pa silang pa-freebies or pa-upuan. Kasi nung pinapanood ko yung mga ibang reviews and videos, nakita ko na yung iba provided na upuan and seats. Pero I think dito hindi. So, medyo kapag pinapanood yung video ko, mas nakakahilo kaysa sa actual na napanood yung video sa Van Gogh. Pero alam mo yun, it's still worth to watch. Like it? Diba? So, yung space nila sa loob, if ever you're gonna have someone na kailangan in wheelchair or may walker, very spacious siya, and para na din makaupo yung mga seniors natin, pwede din yung sakay sa wheelchair or walker, kasi yung show, it will last for 45 to 1 hour, and syempre, maglalast longer pa yun kasi syempre madaming picture taking, tulad ng mga nangyayari dyan, and picture taking basta no flash, guys. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. Yes, it's alright. Here comes the sun.
We're now exiting.
Hi guys! Hey Grace Anatics! So, medyo malinaw yung noo ko dito. Ay, grabe yung pa-effect yung Van
Parang
Gogh.
salamin eh.
Parang yung pa-effect yung Van Gogh yung noo ko dito ah. Anyways guys, bago ako pumunta sa Van Gogh, nag-research muna ako kung maganda ba talaga siya and worth yung ibabayad mo. And marami ako narinig na hindi and all, but yung na-review ko is yung sa Halifax na exhibit, and marami akong narinig na magandang reviews, which is I can attest maganda talaga, and I think it will be worth it talaga yung babayad mo dito. So but for me personally, I think pwede na kayo sa $30 to $35 na ticket, and it's just the same thing. Hindi ako sure kung ano yung extra mo kapag ka nag more than $35 ka pa, but nakita niyo naman yung videos ko, pare-pares na kami nakatayo, pare-pares na kami pinapanood ng same show, and baka may freebie sila pag more than 35, but everything is worth it. Super beautiful. So I can really recommend it to you guys. So, and yung staff and whoever, they're very friendly and very nice, and they can, and i-inform nila kayo and what to do and what not to do. So, upon exit, you will see yung souvenir shop, mini souvenir shop nila. So, just a minute, ilipat ko. So guys, wala na akong mask. Sabi ni Chris, magtanggal ako ng mask. So, triple vaccinated naman kami, and allow naman na hindi ka mag-mask, so okay lang. So, diba? I think everyone is safe naman. And you get to enjoy. Ganda siya. I recommend you guys. Yeah, yung ticket namin na kinuha is just $35. Mahal siya ng konti, pero worth it, I guess. And meron ding mga choices yung mga $35 to $90 yung nakita ko dun sa online nila. But I think $35 or $35 is just enough. And I think yung $90 yung mga souvenir, may paupuan pa sila. But anyways, makita lang to, it's just the same thing. So, I recommend guys.
Ayan na, sa dalim.
Wop, 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 wag ka dyan.
We're now exiting.
Hi guys! Hey Grace and Attic. So, medyo malinaw yung noo ko dito. Ay, grabe yung pa-effect yung
Parang
Van Gogh.
salamin eh.
Parang yung pa-effect yung Van Gogh yung noo ko dito ah. Anyways guys, bago ako pumunta sa Van Gogh, nag-research muna ako kung maganda ba talaga siya and worth yung ibabayad mo. And marami ako narinig na hindi and all, but yung ni-review ko is yung sa Halifax na exhibit and marami ako narinig na magandang reviews, which is I can attest maganda talaga, and I think it will be worth it talaga yung babayad mo dito. So but for me personally, I think pwede na kayo sa $30 to $35 na ticket, and it's just the same thing. Hindi ako sure kung ano yung extra mo kapag ka nag more than $35 ka pa, but nakita niyo naman yung videos ko, pare-pares na kami nakatayo, pare-pares na kami pinapanood ng same show, and baka may freebie sila pag more than 35, but everything is worth it. Super beautiful. So I can really recommend it to you guys. So, and yung staff and whoever, they're very friendly and very nice, and they can, and i-inform nila kayo and what to do and what not to do. So, upon exit, you will see yung souvenir shop, mini souvenir shop nila. So, just a minute, ilipat yung. So it's a beautiful souvenir shop, well organized, and you can see a different paintings and different artworks of Van Gogh. Mapa kitchen, mapa bracelet, mapa bandana. Yan. Notebook, cups, and these are the prices. Puzzles. So ayan, Grace and Attics, hopefully sa simpleng video na to nakakailuman o hindi ay nagustuhan nyo and ma-entice namin kayo manood ng Van Gogh,
especially dito sa Halifax. Hanggang June 26 na lang sila. Ilalagay ko sa link down below kung paano kayo makaka-order ng tickets. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And see you again, guys, on my next vlog. Bye!